Let's see how to add video transitions in DaVinci Resolve 19. Video transitions should be used sparingly. Select the edit point between two clips, go to Menu, choose Timeline, and then select Add Transition. This will automatically add a 1-second cross-dissolve transition. Let's preview that by pressing / on your keyboard. Let's zoom in on the transition. You can always change the transition or the duration by clicking it and dragging it to the sides. If you click on the transition, you can also change the transition duration from here. You can also change the style of the transition through the inspector. Click on Inspector. We are in the video transition page automatically. Here we have the transition type, but we can choose from multiple types. Let's choose Edge Wipe. Because I have the playhead at the center of the transition, you can see that if I change the angle of the wipe, you can see how it actually changes the direction of the wipe. Let's set that to about 80. Let's increase the border to around 65. And you can also change the border color using the color swatch. Here is also the option to feather the border. Now you have a soft edged border. Let's preview the transition by pressing / DaVinci also has presets ready for you. If you go to Effect Library in the upper left corner, choose Video Transitions. You find tons of transitions to choose from. If you take your mouse and run it across the transition, you can preview each of those transitions, so you understand how each of those transitions work. For example, let's select the box Twist. You can zoom in on the next transition point where we want to add this transition. Then just drag and drop the transition right in the middle, or you can double-click on it. Let's move the playhead in the middle of the transition. And here you can change the duration. You can modify the alignment, so if you want the transition to be only on the previous video, or on both videos, or only on the video that comes afterwards. Then you can also add more twists to the box, depending on how much you want it to swirl around. The pushback option makes it either zoom out or zoom in. So I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to add and edit transitions into DaVinci Resolve 19. Drop a comment below if you have any more questions or video ideas that you want me to cover.